This technology is an itch that I have never experienced before. A few years ago, I went deep in the technology and recognized this is going to be a generational technology that affects every industry. And I just said, I'm dedicating my career to this. I want to look back in time and be like, I was part of that.
So in 4 years, we've been able to do a lot to professionalize this space, to watch our community build great product and get it out there into the market. But we're still just scratching the surface.
Hyperledger is a really welcoming place to get started with the technology. There's a number of places that you can join in the community to figure out just where to get started and then how to take it to the next level from there.
Hyperledger is at the center of the ecosystem. I think that the projects, the labs, the innovations, the open source, all of the actual aspects that structure the Hyperledger technology ecosystem, as well as everything that it's doing to bring in members from the very biggest technology organizations to the very biggest enterprises in myriad industries, down to the smallest individual organizations. It is the ecosystem, and this is a team sport.
Value of the Hyperledger is the power of the people.
For me, Hyperledger is a family. It's a place where I can access friends, experts, colleagues, competitors, and be able to have hard conversations, be able to have access to incredible content, access to incredible platforms, and a place where I can bring ideas, I can explore ideas, I can hear new ideas.
It starts with an environment of openness. No idea is a bad idea. No project is a bad project. No vision or target state for the future is a bad target. Let's start with what the model could be and take in all perspectives. Every diverse idea should be part of what the future could be, and how do you turn that into open source projects?
We're a globally distributed community, so we have folks in all different countries, all joining in together, and we're talking the common language of blockchain technology, of how open source technology, as well as in my case, social impact endeavors. Sometimes that language is so common that we think of it as a diversity thing, but I think it's a uniting factor for us.
If you're in the blockchain space, being part of Hyperledger is absolutely essential.